So here we are, and this is what I made yesterday. About an hour, I melted some aluminum, and then I poured it in a mold with AuPt dust, and this is the result. Then I poured the rest of the stuff in just a pan full of AuPt dust, and not just any old pan, a pan that was AuPd, so that it's acted like a crucible and just held everything in. And this is the result, these little crystals of AuPd. And it's mostly PD, I think. But there's definitely some AU in there, and I know that because when you blow it up, you can actually see it as it moves around, and the stuff is beautiful, really, really beautiful. Look at this, Aichihuahua, huh? I mean. And this was a volunteer. I didn't make this. It just appeared. Isn't that pretty? Wow, man. So, and if that was a piece of gold, for instance, that would weigh several grams, 5 grams maybe. This weighs maybe a gram. It would almost float in water. That's how light it is. It's just a little heavier than water. We judge the density of something by its weight to volume ratio. Right? So I have about a cubic centimeter of material here, and it weighs about 1 gram, which is what water weighs. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, man. So there's, some benefits to this stuff that are not readily apparent when you just look at these little gray lumps. But these are the same thing as, whoa, that. The same exact thing. Now this was a piece of copper, and I didn't know what was in there. And probably still a piece of copper, because we never got up to the melting point of copper, as far as I know. Copper melts up at around 1050, and I had the furnace set for 1100, but it never got over 950. No, 850. It didn't even get to 900. So, we're not like in danger of melting copper or gold anytime soon, as long as I've got the aluminum in there anyway. Um, so there it is, gold platinum alloy. You can see it. There's the gold. There's the platinum. Wow, huh? Isn't that something? I mean, that's kind of cool. It's like a circle around the sun. Wowie, man. So, and it's both, definitely both, all the time. And what happens is we're looking at it in this direction, and it looks kind of goldy, and and if I move it the gold shifts and moves. Not all, I mean, obviously we've got some differences in metals, and there's a separation between the high gold content and the high platinum content. And this is heavy, fairly heavy, but it's not like one would expect a bar of platinum, for instance. So it's got to have a bunch of palladium in it too, and this might be what they call platinum sponge. Platinum sponge is the kind of the forerunner to processed platinum. And then they use heat to separate the different metals. Um, So I think I can make those different metals by supplying the heat directly to the bar of metal. And so instead of melting my little bars of aluminum, I'll just stick them in there with the AuPt dust. And so it is not magnetic, right? It's not. It is diamagnetic. That means it develops an opposing force to an applied magnetic field. And there's about 10 bazillion things I haven't thought of yet that we can do to figure out how to use this stuff. Because it's not like anything we've ever had before, because it is really, truly a room temperature superconductor.